Video.
Okay, Salvador, go ahead and open your big one, okay?
Where is that from? First from... I don't know.
Abuelos.
Abuelos. Okay.
You know who that is, Salvador?
Yeah.
Here you go. A little paper down.
It's a drum set.
Oh my goodness.
It's a big drum set.
Oh, hey, you know, I remember that video from Santa saying you were going to get a drum set.
Yeah.
I guess Santa... Whoa, watch out. You don't want to knock over the tree.
Whoa, that's close.
Yeah. I guess Santa was talking to Huelo and Huela about stuff. You know, it's weird. I always thought that Santa and Huelo and Huela were like talking all the time whenever I was a kid.
Mom and Dada, can I try this?
Well, yes, a little bit later, we'll take it out, we'll put it together, maybe in the garage, and then you can wail away on them. But that's cool, now you have real drums.
I have weird drums. Not pretend.
Yeah. You can be a little drummer boy.
You want to open your other present, Salvador?